Hello, my name is Hermes, and I'll now be describing this Canon camera, EOS Rebel T6i. Now the T6i, you'll be able to see right here to know that you've gotten the right camera. Actually, the second to the newest model, they have the T7i now. They have the T7i now, but it works just as well. They're very light, easily portable, and this camera with its functions allows you to take videos and take pictures at the highest quality HD. Now, I'll be going through the different functions. Now, to turn the camera off, you have the off button, you have the on button, which is right here. And you also have the camera button, which takes video. Through that, you can strengthen the vision, the focus, giving it different perspectives, which widens the camera, strengthening and unstrengthening, depending how far you want to reach. Now, the camera also comes with a camcorder where you get to see the photo that you're taking. I'll now demonstrate. We can now see that I'm looking at a title logo on a TV. Now, camera now moves forward, backwards. Touchscreen, shutters. Very, very effective and on-the-go portable. Comes with the Canon strap to hold when you don't feel like holding the camera. Also comes with the case, which I don't have on me right now, but is a nice portable case that puts the camera in a safe, cozy spot where the screen of this camera will not be broken. Now, there's a stabilizer, which is on right now. There's the AF and MF, and also you'll be able to put disc inside with the memory cards. This camera is very, 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 very light and very, very applicable for every visual action that you may need. Also, this is the flash, which pops up when needs be. The menu side, which goes through different variations that's on the camera, which I will demonstrate right now. You now have the select folder when you set your memory card in, the auto route, the format memory card, the Wi-Fi functions. This camera is very, very accessible. It gives you various options to control how your imagery should be seen and how you want it to be portrayed for the finished product. A lot of movies and a lot of films are shot with cameras like these, on the go, easily held. Camera goes for about $600 to $700, $600 on a use factor or on a sales day, but usually goes for $700, $750. This Canon is actually one of my favorite cameras. It utilizes every angle that I need, and it's very easy to use. This right here is the button for action. Here you can see past photos, and here you can see, and that's all by using this button right here. This button right here to go back. Now this Canon is very, very easy to use. Thank you.